Reo te Pailu and Grow whānau. It's Whaea Brookie here with my little helper. What's your name? Kawai. Kawai. Kei te pihia koe. How are you today? I hope you're well and everyone's had an awesome weekend. We're definitely missing seeing everyone's beautiful faces, but I know if we stick to it, we'll be back to school in no time. Yay! I know Te Wiki or Te Reo Māori has already gone, but that doesn't mean we stop using our reo. We practice, we get better, so we can say it all the time. It doesn't have to be 1 week of it. So today, I'm going to take you through some whakamahi, some positive, yeah, that's right, baby, some positive phrases that you can say towards your tamariki or your workmates, anywhere really. So the first one that I will show is, everyone should be familiar with this one, kia kaha, be strong, or give it a go. We're definitely using this phrase kia kaha throughout this lockdown process. Another one we might be familiar with is tūmeke. Can you say that, Wawai? Tūmeke, choice. So if your child was playing the guitar, tūmeke. Nice, baby. If you have awesome little helpers around the house, cleaning up, doing the vacuuming, doing the dishes, this is what you can say. Kaya whina pai, great helper. Can you say that? Kaya whina pai.
Good helper.
Good helper, that would do. Or another phrase you can say to them, mahi pai, good work.
Mahi pai.
Mahi pai, that's right, baby. Another one that's very easy to use with your tamariki, tino pai. Can you say that?
Tino pai.
Tino pai, very good. We use this a lot in the classroom. Tino pai, Calvin, or tino pai, Amelia. What is another one we can use? This is a really good one. To atahua hoki. You look beautiful.
Atawaha.
Hoki. To atahua hoki. You look beautiful in your swimming vest.
Tamaha. You're a kid.
Yeah. This one we have, the triangle. Karawe. Can you say that one? Karawe. Awesome. Awesome work. If your tamariki is drawing, if they're learning something new, karawe. Karawe. Another one we have, if your tamariki is going to do a test, or if they're trying something new, you can say kia wai mari. Kia wai mari. Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck. Kia wai mari. Another one, if they're doing something where it's answering questions, learning a new song, he tika koe. You are correct. He tika koe. And another one is what we all want to do with our tamariki because we miss them so much is homai he awhi awhi. Give me a hug. Can homai te awhi awhi? Have a hug? The best. So, whānau, I hope those phrases have helped. You can practice. Repetition is a perfect way of remembering, and we say these phrases all the time in the classroom, so your tamariki will be very familiar. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Ka kite anō. Ka kite. Ka pai, baby.